So we're coming down from the bridge. We're gonna be heading south on Estero. First thing on the left, the big new hotel, Margaritaville. Nobody liked the idea a year ago, but now, given the circumstances, it's a lifeline for the beach. We see the first empty spots. This used to be a bar, a surf club. Right next door, there was a hotel, the Silver Sands, and a hot dog place, a dog house. Now this is what used to be the Beach Whale, very well-known restaurant on the beach. This is the location for 7-Eleven, a taco place, a burger place. They're all gone now. Some of them are not even trying to rebuild. Now the green building used to be the Atlantic High on the bay. Still standing in one piece. There was some damage inside. I don't know how bad it is. This is a Swiftwater condos. They look okay. They're being rebuilt. Nobody's living there right now. Right next door, the plaza with a temporary post office. Another commercial plaza, totally got it. Used to be a Mexican restaurant. Nothing there anymore. Now this was the only harbor store on Fort Myers Beach. A couple empty lots. That corner was the Tiki Leaky, and a scooter rental place. Gone now. Next, the blue building used to be a tattoo studio downstairs and a bar on top. Oh, that gray building used to be Blockbuster back in the day. Now it's a realtor office, or it was. The next corner is going to be the Periwinkle Motel, and across the street, the empty spot where the Irish pub used to be. You can still see the green school bus from the pub. For those who knows, the island used to be a breakfast place, Heavenly Biscuits. That food truck is trying to replace Heavenly Biscuits. Good luck to them. Coming next, and before we turn around, the Presbyterian Church. Now these were not empty lots, they were houses, old houses from the 70s. Almost all of them washed away by the storm surge. The yellow building is the Neptune. Looks okay, but it's heavily damaged. It's abandoned right now. Nobody's working on it. This is a view from the beach. The place is destroyed. Take a look inside. Now coming on Del Mar Street, there's an example of before and after. The yellow house before the storm. After the hurricane, just parts of the foundation remain in place. One of the tallest buildings on the island, the Diamond Head. It's open for business. Right next door, the Estero Island Beach Club. It was heavily damaged, beyond repair. Demolition just took place a few weeks ago. I don't know why they wait that long. Now, this used to be a cafe, the MoJoe's cafe, well-known cafe, surrounded by tiny beach hotels. Everything is gone. Coming on to the location where Hooters used to be, the whole building collapsed and disappeared. Yeah, the green building, the Lanikai, survived the storm. It's had some damage. They're working on it. It's gonna be back. This is a view from the beach. Those empty lots used to be the beacon, the cottage, and now the part of Margaritaville beachfront is going to be a water park or something like that. Right next door to Margaritaville, the only lot that didn't want to sell the salty crab, the handicap parking lot, and the public park. They're all destroyed. Now we're heading north on Estero. This is Times Square and the Lincoln Park. Our first building, the Edison, is in good shape. The Royal Beach Club, a big property, it's totally gone. That's how it looks in July 2022. This is the only building standing in October 2022. Now on this side of the island, you're going to see big tall buildings that are still standing with damage, and old rental units that are totally gone. Like this one's right next to Bay to Beach. Now these are the sunset cottages. Notice the structure in the middle, the tall one. That picture is from July 2022. Now this one is a week after the storm. Still standing, but it's missing 4 pillars. Those are concrete columns, washed away by the storm surge. Now the Best Western, the hotel was remodeled a couple of years ago, totally remodeled. I hope they come back. Now there's a series of big buildings, like this is the Cane Palm. All of them are empty, all of them are damaged, heavily damaged, but still standing. Another rental place that was gone. Next building is a dolphin watch. You can see the dolphins painted in the walls. And the next one is the unmistakable Casa Playa. Now take a look at the next one. This is Gateway, one of the big condos, tall buildings. Look okay. We got a picture from the other side, from the beach. The red line is how high the water got inside the building. Now there's another empty spot. Used to be Paradise Point, a bunch of colorful cottages. Now, besides all the destruction on the buildings, the shops, the houses, the landscaping is not the same. The salt water, the sand have done some heavy damage. You're going to see a picture from a year ago, just before the storm. Same area. It looks totally different. Look at the palm trees. Half of them are dead already. Pink shell, another easy to recognize building. It's open for business. Again, heavy damage all over. From the beach, looks okay. This is Vacation Villas, the last building on the island, right before Bowditch Point Park. Now the park just reopened in late July. It's actually a parking lot. There's no facilities anymore. The shops, the restrooms, the showers, the docks. Everything is shut down for now. There's a funny sign all over the place. There's a legal disclaimer, use at your own risk. Those are the showers, they're gone now. They were not high enough. There used to be trails all over the place, they're shut down. The docks got destroyed. The beach access is still there. Now it's funny, the rocks on the jetty at the end, there's some random rocks. Well, the troll is working at least. Okay, we're going back, we're gonna be looking at the bay side now. Like, this is a tall house, elevated just in case of flooding. It didn't help. It's a 1-2 punch, water and wind. Now this is the parking lot across the street from Pink Shell. Used to be a marina right there, a big one. Severely damaged. It's not working as a marina anymore. There's only posts here and there in the water. Now notice from this point, from this light pole, there's a lot of empty lots. And there was not even one empty lot before the storm. They were all houses. Small houses, some of them rental, some of them not, but they're gone. There's some new construction going on, incredibly. Now there's a house in that corner that used to be elevated just in case of flooding. It didn't help. Not high enough, not strong enough. Now another thing to notice on the island, there's no signs at all, no traffic signs. Most of the street signs are gone, so really hard for somebody that doesn't know the area. We got to an area of new construction. Most of these were finished just before the storm. They did okay. The whole first floor was gone, so the cars were lost, of course. But we have to acknowledge that the new codes developed after Andrew, they work. Okay, that's all I got for now. The video got way too long. Hopefully we can make another one from a different area. Just a reminder, this is not a survey or a scientific study. Just a random guy that's been in the area for 22 years, walking, running, and riding all over the place.